Hello, in this video I will show how you can use Facade tool on JOT website to create panels for your project. Basically it is facade division and paneling to join together. Let's open the script. First you need to import your geometry. It should be DWG with your facades. All the facades should go from left to the right, and their height relative to each other is important as well. The DWG should contain 3 layers: boundaries that will contain all the walls, openings that will contain windows and doors, and facade overshoot. Facade overshoot is basically an offset of the panels from the facade. So if you see 120 here, it will mean that the panel will go to it right from the facade. If we see a negative number here, it will go inside of the facade. If we don't want overshoot, we can set it to 0 or leave it empty. Let's import our file. As you can see, geometry was loaded. We need to make sure that the units of the module correspond with units of the script. After that, we can press compute. As you can see, panels were created. We can adjust our panels using settings here. I will show you a few. First, I will go to colors and change the color of our dimensions so they don't distract us from the panels. Let's go to SL settings. As SL states for shared layout. Shared layout allows us to connect facades between each other. Basically to create corner panels. If we don't want that, we can turn this setting off. When this setting is on, the script makes sure that our corner panels are aligned. We can change the view of our models from flat pattern to shop drawing. Shop drawings shows us how the panels will look on the building. This setting doesn't affect our drawing. Flat pattern just shows us how panels are connected to each other. If we don't want to connect the last facade to the first facade, we can turn off rough corners. We can create opening folds for the windows and doors as well. These create additional folds on the panels, on the places where openings are. We can adjust the depths of the openings. After we adjusted our facade division, we can go to the Input Remove Duplicate step and zoom out to see our spread panels. We can adjust the scale factor, and we can press Compute Flat Pattern. Also here we can upload custom profiles for the panels. As you can see, names on the panels appear as well as some details. We can create sections for the panels. As we can see here, the script creates details only on unique panels. So if it sees 2 panels that are exactly the same, it will create only one drawing. And for the second one, it will leave only a placeholder with a name. Let's create templates. Presume to show all the geometry. After which we can go to the Export tab and download our drawings and tables. Creating panels for your project using JOT Facade tool never been easier.